Your farm was served every time when we see in the field section, as there is each field actually on this platform anytime. When the killing a dare it quietly leapfrog from the competition, not just flashy and but with a real production development and improvement we have already watched out. But it's time to get something that is a really impressive. What we are talking about, the next upcoming feature, Kling 3.0, the next era of artificial intelligence, a director, coming soon. We are also going to show you what we have already experienced right now. We are seeing the experimental because people are already watching out. This is really interesting in it because in the directory memory, what the character scene and necessitating we can see. And if you come here in the section that is about Kling 01 added, then we have already feel too good to be labeled experimental if Kling follow its usual supreme and a release cycle that is upcoming actually Kling 3.0 as coming soon. So there you can also check something really interesting in the Kling 3.0 that is also just like a tip of iceberg and it ultimate AI video workflow in almost a year. Actually in the Kling 3.0 that is upcoming soon. With almost here with perfect character you can also check out many other details like in the Kling motion control as there are. For the details in this era where we are going to coming to see new latest details, we will also find more creative engine. This is multi-shot unified with all the previous model like Kling 2.6, Kling 01, and there are also Kling motion control with video reference. You can find everything in it and this is the next frontier, this is the next stage where you will find something really interesting. And I am here also going to show you details because Kling is not just improving the visual, there we will see the consistency. People are already going to give in here about the motion control, some concept about the Kling 2.6 with multi-shot generation and native audio. But everyone is also talking about the 30-second high difficulty physics in one take. Certainly you are not generating clip, you are generating this scenario. And this is the most exciting rumor we have got about the Kling that is the most important model in Gen AI. I am pretty sure you are also going to be surprised because everyone who is going to making their expectation with the Kling 3.0 is not normal. It's about the analysis, it's about major concept we have to got for YouTuber, for educator, for indie storyteller actually. And Kling 3.0 is here to give you moral signal next phase of AI video as possibly to expective managed and cohesive workflow. There is the good range for workflow actually. So movement toward more cohesive and creative instead of fragmented too. You can check out temporal coherence and character consistency in one platform. And this is first time I have felt that AI like Kling 3.0 is almost various about to be unavoidable. Kling 2.0 doesn't need to be perfect, it just need to unify what already work like the other Kling feature. And if it does, yeah, this is the game changer. And intelligence team are going to be created with it. And this is not just about I am going to give you word here. With after analysis after getting some chart details too, you are going to entering into the creativity era where Kling 3.0 is going to give you welcome note that welcome creators, welcome YouTubers, welcome storytellers. You are here to experience scenarios you are going to creating ultimate AI video workflow is almost there Kling 3.0 on the Higgsfield. Once it will be officially announced, you will be available, we will be able to see on the Higgsfield first. So right now you can come on the Higgsfield to explore, to find other related Kling features that are also available, and you can even upgrade your account too. Because your account is also important, so you can find some questions where it will be released for the first time with logic and what are the unique features. You will also chat out with their team members, because this is also described here. I will provide a link in video description to check out if you want to know further information about well-defined, stable, and end-to-end AI video generation platform supporting model that is unified about decaling. Then most welcome to see what are coming in near future. Because you will see, you will get experience, you will love it, and welcome to the Kling 3 what are upcoming in future to give you major experience in the field of error. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next video.